Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. We are here today at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for a special announcement. They have a brand new ride that they are constructing here at the park, and we are getting a hard hat tour of the site today. I'm very excited to head on inside. Looks like Coda's excited too. Let's go, guys. We're heading on inside the park right now. We're with all of our media peeps. Everyone's got their hard hats on. We're excited to head on out there and see what they got cooking. Oh my gosh, look at the penguins. They're all out and ready. They're so excited to see people. Hey there. Hi. Oh my gosh. They are so excited to start their day. Hi. I can't think of a better way to start off the day. It's cool to get a daytime look at some of the scare zones out here. This prop over here in the voodoo scare zone is very interesting. We have reached the construction walls. You can see they have the banners rolled up. So as soon as they make the announcement today of what this attraction is going to be, they're going to unfurl the banners. But for right now, we're heading beyond the walls.
Yeah. It is my distinct pleasure to welcome each of you this morning as we gather for this exciting announcement. For over 60 years, Busch Gardens Tampa Bay has provided world-class experiences to guests from around the world. We take great pride in the diversity of experiences our park has to offer. From thrilling attractions like Iron Gwazi, the Golden Ticket Award winner for the best new roller coaster in 2022, to Broadway-style entertainment and up-close animal encounters, our park offers a unique and captivating experience for every member of the family. Delivering unforgettable experiences is a cornerstone of our culture here at Busch Gardens. We're constantly thinking of innovative ways to make our park bigger and better for guest enjoyment, which brings us to today's announcement. As you might already know, thrills are on the rise here at Busch Gardens. Today, we're excited to share new details on the park's newest attraction. Looks exciting, right? We're excited to share that Serengeti Flyer will take flight right here in the Nairobi area of the park in the spring of 2023. This record-breaking attraction will be the world's tallest and fastest ride of its kind upon opening in spring of 2023. With each swing, riders will soar higher and higher above Busch Gardens Tampa Bay's expansive 65-acre Serengeti Plain, while experiencing multiple negative G moments before plunging back towards Earth. Serengeti Flyer will feature twin dueling arms that soar progressively higher and higher, reaching speeds of 68 miles per hour and a maximum height of 135 feet at the ride's peak. Guests will be seated back-to-back in rows of 10 across 2 gondolas, allowing 40 guests to experience the ride at once. The ride will feature a 48-inch height requirement, allowing younger thrill seekers to experience the rush of Serengeti Flyer. At this time, we invite you to follow park ambassadors down the adjacent pathway to get an up-close look at the progress we've made on Serengeti Flyer. We encourage you to share your photos and videos from today's announcement on social media by tagging @Busch Gardens and using the hashtag #NewThrillBGT. On behalf of the entire team here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, thank you for visiting us this morning, and thank you for stopping by to have a moment to swing by to enjoy this important announcement. We look forward to seeing you in the spring of 2023 as Serengeti Flyer takes flight. Thank you.
All right, now it is time to get our construction tour. I think this is the first time that anyone's been back here in the old Rhino Rally area in years. So this is pretty exciting. Yeah, we got the steam train coming on by. Oh, wow. Oh no, this thing is massive. Priorities. Coda saw cupcakes. Holy cow. So here are some of the key ride details. 105 feet. It's going to reach 135 feet when it's swinging. Holy cow. 68 miles an hour. This is going to be nuts. Here's a closer look at the concept art. You can see there's going to be a lot of people per vehicle. You can see the current work that they're doing on the queue structure right now. You can see the actual, like queue stanchions or railings have been set up and everything, but there's still quite a bit to go. Opening spring of 2023. This thing is going to be massive. It's going to be terrifying. So basically this is going to be your childhood swing set on steroids. This is going to be absolutely insane. You can see just based off the concept art alone that the swings are going to swing above this structure. So when they say 135 feet, they mean 135 feet. You are swinging. And we did hear that the ride is going to last about 1 minute and 20 seconds, so that's quite a long ride. That's longer than some roller coasters. So once you strap in, you better be ready because you are going to be in for one heck of a ride. So Coda, what are your thoughts on this? Are you ready for opening day? Because guess what? You're the one who's going to be strapping in and going for a ride. Yeah? A slight hesitation?
Yeah.
You got this.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
You've done the sky coaster. You love the slingshots. You got this. You can do some swinging for 1 minute and 20 seconds.
I haven't done the slingshot yet.
But you want to.
I want to.
So have the same enthusiasm with this. It's going to be a great ride, though. A fantastic addition to Busch Gardens for sure. So this ride is 100% going to be a smash hit for Busch Gardens. I can already tell that they're going to be drawing in a huge crowd with this attraction. The kind of people that like to go to carnivals and fairs and like to do the extreme rides. These are the kind of guys that are going to love this attraction. Me personally, it's a little tall. I don't know if I'm going to ride this thing. Maybe we'll see when it comes to opening day, but I'm not the one who does, spinny rides or swingy rides because I easily, but Coda's going to be, riding this thing. She's the more extreme person in the group. She's going to have a lot of fun with this, and I know you guys are going to have a lot of fun with this too.
They went out before the hurricane, yeah.
So how does it feel to be back in the old Rhino Rally area? It's quite a difference.
Yeah.
Like, I'm sure you remember what it used to look like. I mean, I do too. Massive queue building over here and the load station take you around, and it's insane what they were able to do with this area for sure. As always, Busch Gardens hooking us up with the treats. I love it. These are massive cupcakes. Holy cow, what a breakfast. And you guys can see we have the official announcement. The banners have been rolled down so that all the guests can see what is coming in the very near future. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that's gonna do it from us here at Busch Gardens for the opening announcement of Serengeti Flyer. I'm very excited for this attraction. It's going to be an epic thrill ride at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, and it's gonna draw a lot of people in. So it opens up in spring of 2023. As always, with any announcement, I hope you guys are following me on Twitter, because that is where I'm going to be posting any further updates. Unless they have any major announcements or possibly an opening date announcement, I'll be sure to make a video on it. But any other updates that we have, we'll be posting those on Twitter. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, and subscribe if you are new around here and want to see more content like this in the future. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.